So this is about the starter labs, where I'm going to send this lab envelope with just a couple of things, and this is for metric system and the pendulum, but in this video I'm just going to talk about the metric system here in just a moment and leave the pendulum out. This is going to be in the lab envelope, the measuring tape, so metric measuring tape, so this is the one. And then you need to supply a stopwatch of some kind on your cell phone or something. And then it says here, Unit 1, metric system, you're only going to do that partially. So here we go, and this is what you're going to do. These 4 tables here, and I think at least one of them is just computing. So table 2, measure time to car, no time to workplace. Measure 3, measure distance to car, workplace, measure any room that you want. Then table 4, compute the speed, and table 4b, compute the area and the volume. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a moment. All right, and I'm back, and here is actually the lab, at least I'm trying. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here. This is the introduction to the lab. I'm going to scroll down a little faster until I get there. I like to color code things. So here, this is what I just mentioned here, what I color coded in violet, becoming familiar with measuring time. So this is all you have to do. Time walking to car and the time to workplace that you probably know. The next one here is this one, table 3b. Length of a board. You can also use the length of a table that you can use as an incline. Distance to the car, distance to the workplace, well, you probably know that too. And then choose a room and measure the length, the width, and the height. And what you do in this table here is I really ask you to estimate first in inches, feet, or miles, whichever it is, and then actually to measure it in the metric system and then convert to the US customary system. And of course this one here should be in the neighborhood of what that one is. I'm not going to grade you on the estimates. Okay, then you have all these measurements here. And then you're going to go to this table here and you compute the speed in the metric system to the car and to the workplace. And then you're going to compute the area of the living room and the volume of the living room and the mass of the air in the living room, which is the density is given here in this footnote. And that's really all you have to do for the metric system for now, to hand it in to me soon.